Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So today we're doing an unboxing of the R3 version 5.1 wireless earbuds. So the noise cancellation earphones with 2000 mAh charging case and IPX7 waterproof and sweatproof earbuds that work both for iOS and Android. First thing you find is the user manual to do with how you pairing and how you use them. Then you have a little note about the data display, because this comes with data displays and whatnot. So it's a multifunctional charging compartment, which is this thing right here. It has large capacity charging compartment that can not only charge earphones but also charge a mobile phone, because if you look, it has a bigger USB port right around there, meaning you can charge your phone as well. So it's really good for, like, say if you're outside hiking or something. So it has a LED 3 screen. Oh wait, yeah, 3 screen digital display right here. So obviously it's not turned on exactly right now, but it will be there. So with 3 screens, the remaining power in the charging compartment and the charging progress of the left and right headsets are clear at the glance. So there is no proper, like, really obvious possibility of this power failure. So opening it, they look slick. They look very sleek, professional. They're magnetic as well, which adds a very classy vibe. The stable transmission is with V5.0 core upgrades. With the chip, the transmission is more stable and the connection is simpler, meaning that if you're listening to something, or like the audio playback is much smoother and better overall. So this product is fully waterproof and sweatproof, so you can wear it when you do sports or you can take it to the shower. It's not exactly a good idea, but it won't exactly affect it that much. So the head of the body is designed with multiple processes to effectively prevent sweat from damaging components. Say if you're like jogging, if you're using this for like sports purposes. And it's really simple to charge as well. So you just charge this, like this headset thing. You put the headset into the charging, overall to charge the headset actually, you put this in. So like so. See, when you put them in as well, the cool thing is it shows you how much charge they have. So this is 85, this has 88. And right now, as we speak, it is charging it as well. Because the instant you put it back in, it recharges it. So if you want to charge these, you charge this overall case. So for that, you have to connect this cable here. Obviously, you can use others that are similar to this. You just plug it in, and you wait till and the red light goes out when it's fully charged. So this is a noise reduced version as well, and its working distance is within 10 meters. You can use one of these at a single time, so you don't have to put it in both in your ears. But the automatic pairing, there's also a support for that, meaning that overall the lifetime, so you can use it, is 220 hours. And the earphones and everything basically is pretty much smart touch. Like, look, if you use these right here, if you tap on them, say when you connected them to something, they would like switch forward, and if you double tap, it pauses. So they've got like they're sensitive from the back as well, so you can use them that way. So yeah, it's pretty useful. Obviously very compatible with people who like traveling and going around with not that many things, because this is pretty much effectively a battery pack and a wireless earphones at the same time. So obviously this is useful, and the good thing is that it's cheap, obviously, so you can get quite a few of these for family and friends and whatnot. And all in all, it's a really good device. It comes with a few extra pieces just in case the other ones fall off, so yeah, obviously you can use extra other cables, but all in all, I think this product is pretty good, and you should definitely get it. And if anyone was to actually do like lots of traveling or something, this would be an ideal deal and product for you to get. Make sure you like, share and subscribe, and make sure that you enjoy this video. Have a nice day.